This is our deck we're going to be replacing today because there's a beam under here. You can see the floor moves when I step on it. We're going to replace some joist hangers under there and the deck boards. We pulled up all the decking boards that we're going to replace today. I'm going to leave this one on this edge and the two on that end because they're still pretty solid, and we don't want to have to cut notches around the posts. So what we have to do today, you can see down here, this beam is not even connected to anything, it's just swaying in the breeze. So is that one. And it looks like the joist hangers under there are pretty rotted away. So we're going to replace these. We're going to try and remove the old ones and put some new ones on. That's what we're doing. Step, we put some new hangers up under here. That beam has a hanger that we really couldn't get apart. The bottom of it was rusted off, so we took off the bottom part and put a new one in, angled off to the sides. So it's up there and the bottom's being held. These other ones, the entire bracket fell off, so we were able to replace them. And that's what we're doing for today. And tomorrow, we'll work on putting on the new deck boards. We're almost done, actually. We just got to put a few more hangers and then one on that last beam over there. And we're going to put, let's see, we're going to replace these two that are bad here and put a couple up here in the front. Then we're ready to put the new deck boards on. 3 brackets are in. There's the one on the front here. And then we've got 2 we put in on the side there, and those 2 beams. And now we're ready to put the deck boards on. That's what we're working on next. Four boards on, we got 5 to go. Really done putting all the new deck boards on. We're down to the end, we've got a gap where the board doesn't quite fit, so we're going to have to cut part of it off. But after that, put in the rest of the screws, we're done. Almost done, we just ran out of screws. But all the boards are up and on. They're at least secured in a few places. And we had to cut one of the boards. This one here we cut to fit the hole. And it came out pretty good. So we just got to go get some more screws, finish putting them in, and the project is done. Of the deck finish. All I have to do is drive the screws down on this end, over in that corner, along the edges, and we're all done. The project is finished. We've got all the rest of the screws in, along this side, along this side. And we put some extra screws in some of the existing boards where they were loose, or where the nails had rusted off. Down here and down here. And it's complete. Ready to go for another 20 years, hopefully.